Hi guys, welcome back to the Chinese Hello 𝐶𝐿𝐼. So today we are going to learn 4 characters. All of them pronounce bao in Mandarin. If you are already a Mandarin speaker or you have learned Mandarin before, then be careful. These 4 of them pronounce different. This character, it means hug or hold in arms. Po, po. So in oral Cantonese, when we say hug somebody, we will not say po. We prefer to say lam, lam. If you just want to hug somebody, lam, lam住我, lam住我. Hug me tight. We have 水泡. 水泡 is swimming rings. 抱住, for example, if I holding a big box and then I ask you, please help me to hold it. 幫我抱住佢, 幫我抱住佢. This character, bo, bo, literally it means to report somebody. So normally we will have 報紙, 報紙, newspaper. And I know that lots of guys know how to say report. Actually, report is 報告, 報告, work report, 工作報告, 工作報告, work report. And this dangerous leopard is 𝐵𝐺, 𝐵𝐺. So the leopard print is 𝐵𝐺們, 𝐵𝐺們. So some people think the leopard print is very sexy. So I would like to say, 你鍾唔鍾意着豹紋衫啊? 你鍾唔鍾意着豹紋衫啊? So this one's 豹紋. Next one, this one is 爆, 爆. Explosion is 爆炸, 爆炸. I remember when I make the video about Miss Hong Kong, #1 competitor, she has a 爆炸頭, 爆炸頭, right? Also, normally we will say 爆水渠, 爆水渠. And when you see those gangster movie, they always 爆樽, 爆樽, 樽, bottle, 爆樽, to break a bottle over someone's head. And also 爆石, 爆石, 石, it means storm. If you want to take a shit, it's 爆石, 爆石. Kind of disgusting. And also, if someone know you have a secret, then they will 爆大鑊, 爆大鑊, to reveal a secret. 大鑊, 大鑊 literally means like something bad happened. So just remember, these 4 characters in Mandarin all pronounce 爆, the 4 tones in Mandarin, but in Cantonese is different. So the first one, 抱, 抱. The second one is 煲, 煲. Third one, 泡, 泡. And the last one, 包, 包. If you would like to learn more, please subscribe my YouTube channel, the channel is 𝐔𝐿𝐼. If you want to learn more and you can't wait my latest video, you can book a lesson. I would like to teach you more slangs and also correct your pronunciation. Looking forward to see you soon. Bye bye.